Hello everyone. It's becoming very important for everybody to be online now. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and then you use several payment platforms, you use several things online right now. And you know that as time goes by, it is becoming very important for you to be secured online. It's becoming a major problem for companies, for banks, for government, and so on. And who are the policemen online? Who are the military guys online? Those are the guys you refer to as cybersecurity experts. And so Olotu Square is partnering with IGHUB to specifically train people in Aba, Umuahia, and Onitsha to become cybersecurity experts. And so there will be a boot camp, and the link is just right here on this post, to tell you about cybersecurity and introduce you into the world of ethical hacking. On the first day, we are going to be doing system hacking. On the second day, we're going to be handling social engineering, how your mouth alone can make you a hacker. And then on the third day, we'll be doing mobile hacking. Join us and we'll be happy to have you. Cheers.